everyone, I have this multifunctional oil holder and sprayer. This is a very unique tool. So I have the pan here, and so first I'm going to fill it with my oil. Fill it right up so it holds a good amount. And you put this right on there, turn it right onto there. So it looks nice. It's a very nice black top. I'll pull this back right here, and that opens for the pouring. I have potatoes here. I like to do my potatoes in the air fryer, so I have to pour oil on them, so as you can see, to put them in the air fryer, and so that pouring works very well there. And then you would close it. See how it sprays? Just like, if you were spraying it, so nothing would stick. I would much rather use this than a spray can. It has this comfort grip here, which makes it comfortable, and the design is very nice.